Hello students, in this video we are going to read about nouns. Now we have already started this topic of noun. Let us revise it from the beginning. Now what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. In other words, we can say words which are used as names of persons, animals, places or things are called nouns. Now there are many types of nouns. What are they? They are like your proper noun, common noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, material noun, countable noun and your uncountable nouns. Now let us start with common noun. Common nouns, it can be common names of animals, birds and insects. For example, rat, elephant, beetle, dog, and then names of places like house, church, hospitals, railway stations, bus stands, and then names of things like computer, globe, bat, cup, and then names of trees, fruits, flowers, vegetables like your banyan tree, coconut tree, paddy, rose and lily. Now here is a list of some common nouns. You can go through it like mango, knife, bread, hat, hairspray, caterpillar, car, elephant, butterfly, orange. These all are and many more are common nouns. Now you have to remember students, common nouns are mostly start with small letters, okay, and proper noun they always starts with a capital letter. You have to remember this. Now what are proper nouns? Proper nouns can be special names of people like Rani Lakshmi Bai, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, or say your own name like Rosie, John or whatever. Then places, villages, cities like your Raipur, Bhubaneswar, and then names of states like Odisha, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, and then names of countries like India, Japan, fine, and then your names of mountains like Alps, Mount Everest, names of rivers like Kaveri, Ganga, Yamuna, and then names of seas like Arabian Sea, Red Sea, Baltic Sea. Now students, see, proper nouns can also be days of the week, months, festivals and special days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then May, June, July, August, and then your festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, and special days like your Independence Day, Republic Day. And the proper nouns are also names of books like Jungle Book, newspapers like the Times of India, the Hindu, and the magazines like Business Today, okay. So these all are your proper nouns. You can also take Santa Claus, King Charles I, name of a king, Australia, Jesus, and then the name of Bible, your holy books like Quran, Bible, Bhagavad Gita, and then special ships you can say Titanic. Now let us read about concrete nouns. Okay, what are concrete nouns? These nouns can be seen physically. You can see it like monkey, baby, water, chalk, kangaroo. You can see it, isn't it? So coming in detail, we can say that concrete nouns, you see, you can feel with your all the five senses or any of your five senses like taste, see, smell, hear, touch. These are all your five senses, okay. Example like your water, tree, flower, computer, baby, or whatever things around you, if you can see it, if you can taste it, if you can smell it, if you can hear it, or if you can touch it, so they all comes under your concrete nouns. Now what is abstract noun? It is nothing but quite opposite of concrete noun. Abstract nouns can also refer to relationships, qualities, feelings, states, ideas, okay, like your motherhood, friendship, bravery, excitement, happiness, anger, and then your states like childhood and ideas like knowledge. These all are your abstract nouns, fine. So as I have already said you, it is nothing but a difference, okay. The opposite, quite it is the opposite of concrete noun. Here abstract nouns, that is, it is a noun that cannot be perceived. You cannot feel with your any of your five senses, like you can't see it, you can't hear it, you can't smell, taste or touch. For example, these are all your abstract nouns, and if you think about it, you will see that you cannot feel these all words or these all nouns with your five senses. Now it is very important for you to learn that abstract nouns can be made from verbs or adjectives. Okay, like from verbs, these are the words, these are the abstract nouns. Okay, these are the verbs and these are the abstract nouns. From sell, sail, grow, growth, laugh, laughter, think, thought, speak, speech. And then from adjectives, how they are made: angry, anger, beautiful, beauty, kind, kindness. These are all abstract nouns. Okay, these are adjectives. Wide, width, strong, strength, wise, wisdom. I hope you know what is adjective. Okay, adjectives are those words which describes a noun. Fine, it modifies a noun, and verbs are action words are called verbs. Now you see, these can sometimes, that is abstract nouns, can sometimes be made by adding ity, ness, ence and tion at the end. Like opportunity, it comes from opportune. Then rare, rarity, curious, curiosity, happy, happiness, lonely, loneliness, cold, coldness, intelligent, intelligence, confident, confidence, different, difference, collect, collection, educate, education, and generate, generation. So this is all about your abstract nouns. These all words are your abstract nouns. Now I hope these four types of nouns are clear to you. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, thank you.